Meet Outreach Campaign. Turn your prospect list into personalized websites and emails automatically. Step 1. Upload your prospects. Upload a CSV or Excel file with your leads. Each row is one prospect, and each one will get its own personalized website. Write your outreach email. Insert variables from your spreadsheet, including a unique website URL generated for each prospect. Every email feels personal at scale. Schedule and mailbox. Set your sending schedule, date range, daily window, and which days to send. Connect your own mailbox through Google SMTP or any other provider. Everything stays in Readdy, no external tools needed. Hit generate and Readdy creates a personalized website for every single prospect in your list. And every site is personalized based on that prospect's data. When you're ready, hit send. Readdy delivers every email on your schedule. Track performance in real time. Open rates, clicks, opportunities, all in one dashboard. This is what your prospect receives: a personalized email with a link to their own custom website. From a spreadsheet of leads to personalized websites and outreach emails, all generated, sent, and tracked inside Readdy. Start your first campaign at Readdy AI.